This is the small Duden Falls. That's what he said. Tambok pa kayo siya.
Parang sa kawasan.
Lagi?
Ano pa sa kawasan dito?
Ito oy. Kay slide.
Nagana namatay dito. Nagana namatay dito.
Ako ra isa. Ning uban ko.
Tug kayo.
Kuro ka kung kuan. Tuhod dito kay ang dili kay jud siya naka-safe ba?
Oo.
Napaambakon pa jud ka no.
Oo, pambakan.
Good luck. Wato. Very nice. This is Duden Falls. Duden. Duden. Nice. Para mag-selfie tayo, di ba?
Solo ako kasi Facebook break.
So
That is so nice. Wow, perfect.
No, says this actually.
Ah, it's there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's
For
okay.
Nadel, yes, finish for me. Sorry.
Okay, it's alright. So I am size 58. Then I'm gonna buy this one.
This certificate international skydiving.
So if ever there's some issues, I'm just gonna go somewhere
Yes, to skydiving.
with the same skydiving.
Skydiving.
So the meaning for, is it nice?
It's very maganda.
I'm not a ring person, so it's my first time to have a ring.
Yes, you'll get used to it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you'll get used to it. You're like, after some time, you're like,
but I might not
I'm
notice
empty.
it that it's missing.
no, no. Just keep on wearing it. Nothing will affect it. Even if you take shower,
And this one
perfume,
looks good.
lotions. This one you should not take it off. It's a blessing. I love to wear grass all the time.
So if I like swim or something, shower,
Nothing.
it will not fade.
Nothing.
Because this is what?
Never. That's a diamond. It's a sky diamond. It's a lab-grown diamond.
Okay.
So it's 100% identical.
How about for the heat?
Nothing.
No changes.
And I explained to your friend that you have the warranty. So whenever anything happens to it,
Bling.
a bling bling.
First time.
How many jewelries are gonna buy today? That's the third one already.
Yeah, I know. So we're here in a local restaurant. So may pa... Ang tawag dito? Nakalimot ko ito. May tawag dito. Hindi nga, may tawag to burrata, birata, something.
I don't know.
Ito. So I've tried this before and it's nice.
Pita ba?
Mm. Mm. So may dalawang dip, matuki ko. Ka ito. For salad. Mm. Nice. Hmm? Very nice. Mukha na ito, Tan.
Ha?
Let's try the chicken. So, line siya kasi while nasa tour kami, ikuha na nila yung order namin kung anong gusto na sa lunch. So, ito na prepared like seconds dyan na agad.
Wala yung chicken. Hindi na
Masarap.
daw kakanin.
Masarap kasi mainit.
Masarap ang chicken.
Directly from the ano pa, subahan. No worries. Nice experience.
Would you like drinks, cola, Fanta, Sprite, Zero, water?
Sprite, please.
Sprite. For you?
Coke Zero.
Zero, Coke Zero, 4 Coke Zero. Okay.
What? Ay, original. Coke original. Kanya ilam.
Diabetes.
Gusto ba?
Yung gusto kong kanin. Ano tawag yan? Bulgur? Yung gusto ko.
Very nice. Very pure. Very mindful. What do you call this one?
Bread?
This one, yeah?
Yes, it's bubble bread, lavash.
Ah.
One more coming, no problem.
No. I'm just asking what is it.
Good, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi ko kaya ng gulay. Plastic kanina sa
Pretenders sila.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine. Go,
Let's
go,
go.
go. Boat cruise, boat cruise.
Because it starts in
Yeah.
Sa kata?
That's natin si ma'am.
Happy birthday. The view. Return of investment. Nice view. So, I'm gonna try the Turkish coffee. Ang liit pala niya. Parang amoy pa lang. May pinaglalaban. Parang ano no? Yung nutty. Nutty masyado. Nutty ba dapat?
No,
May mix. Tapos, I'm having snack with this couple. Hello. So, sugar rush. Again, and again, and again, sugar rush.
It's not a big airport, but there's a lot of terminals. So, we're in gate 65. Let's go.